Hello, and welcome to the second last class of Wilcom and its embroidery designing. So we have learned till here, all right. So use motif, leave it. I will tell this in the advanced classes because you don't need to use them for now. And branching, I will explain it. Let's just start from the branching, okay? So branching helps out like is this the same color? Okay, now it is the same color. So let's just say we have these four designs, okay? And I want to, connect them. I can connect them using the, connectors. I can use them using the connectors, all right? Which are these? I can do run, okay? But because they are not together, let me just put them together, okay? So these are these are connected by the connectors. But there is another option. You can use the branching. If you click this and you click here and here, these all are merged together. As you can see here on the right side, you can see this as as a butterfly. Like you can move it completely. But let's say you are not branching, but you are doing the connectors. You can break them apart, but it is the run. But on the branching, they are just stuck together and you can't do anything after that. So that's the branching, and it's pretty simple. You can also select all of these, then you can press I for branching. Button I is the shortcut for branching. And here like this, it is like this now. So yeah, so that's branching. Hope you understand it. And let's move on to the new thing, which is the let's do the rectangle. Rectangle, pretty simple, right? A rectangle is like this, okay? You can do it fills, however you like. No rocket science. For a eclipse tool, again, simple. You can either make a round shape like this, or you can make an oval shape if you want. Again, you can select them. You can change it into fills, however you like, and you can change the angle by pressing the button H or going here and doing the reshape thing. Alright, so pretty simple, right? No need to explain much because once you know how this complex turning works, you don't need to understand all of this because they are just pretty simple objects. And for this borders, mm, you can hold the control button and make a pretty clear borders. Okay, a star or maybe something like this. So as you can see, pretty simple, right? No rocket science. And these are the pre-made shapes. Okay, and let's do the freehand. Okay, freehand. I don't use it, but freehand is a freehand, and you can make anything using this. You can write your name if you want. You can do anything, right? And freehand close shape again. It is a close shape, which is a close shape, right? And you can just change it into fills if you want. But again, anything if you want to make use this. No need to use the other stuff, which is pretty useless, I think. But if you want to try, you can try. Again, right? Mm, useless thing, useless thing, useless thing, useless thing, and a little bit. You can use it sometimes, or this one if you want. But the other is useless. And one more thing, like mm, let's just say mm, I made this with only one angle, okay? I mistakenly only added one angle and now I want to add another angle. So what I will do, I will click this stitch angles. or you can press the Control and H. Okay, stitch angle is activated. Now you can add new angles. That's it. Adding angles is not pretty hard. It is pretty easy, right? So again, if you want to make holes after that, you can also do that. This is for the holes. Okay. Again, if you are using complex turning, everything is pretty simple with that. And if you forget, you can add holes and you can add the angles if you forget. So I guess that's it for today's class. Or let's just finish it up. Let's finish it up, okay? For this, simple offsets, if I click this, you know what? Just let's leave this class and I will explain new things on tomorrow class. And again, thank you for watching. This video is very short and very easy to understand because the tool I explained are pretty useless to me. I don't use them because it is what it is. Thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Bye bye.